Hey everyone, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from setting up your channel and designing your logo, to scripting, voiceover, visuals, and editing. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to launch your very own faceless YouTube channel and start growing it. Let's dive right in. First things first, choosing a niche. The niche you select will set the foundation for your entire channel. The key is to find a niche that's both popular and something you're interested in. Some successful faceless niches include tech tutorials, motivational content, productivity tips, and even finance channels. Take a moment to think about your interests. For this video, let's assume we're creating a motivational channel. Now that we have our niche, let's move on to setting up the actual channel. Alright, time to get your channel up and running. Head over to YouTube Studio and let's create your new channel together. Click on your profile icon, switch accounts, then scroll down and hit View All Channels. Now select Create a Channel. Now let's choose a name for your channel. Here's where ChatGPT can help us brainstorm a channel name. Ask ChatGPT to generate some name ideas for a motivational YouTube channel. I'd like the names to sound inspiring and positive. ChatGPT might give you names like Rise and Thrive, Limitless Living, Next Level Mindset. Pick the name you like best. I'll go with Dream It, Do It. Now paste the name into the name field and create a username to match. Once you've picked a name, let's add a description. Ask ChatGPT to create a short channel description for a motivational YouTube channel called Dream It, Do It. Make it engaging and add emojis for extra appeal. ChatGPT could generate something like, Welcome Dream It, Do It, your daily dose of motivation and inspiration to turn dreams into reality. From mindset hacks to actionable tips, we're here to help you stay focused, push boundaries, and achieve greatness. Let's chase those goals together and make every day count. Copy that description and paste it into the bio section of your channel, and your channel is now ready to go. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to create a logo. This will help brand your channel and make it visually appealing. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. A simple logo can make a big difference in making your channel look professional and recognizable. First, let's ask ChatGPT to create a logo design prompt for a motivational YouTube channel called Dream It, Do It. The logo should be in black and white and feature an inspiring image like a sunrise or a strong symbol of motivation. ChatGPT might suggest something like, create a logo in black and white for a motivational YouTube channel called Dream It, Do It. Next, take this prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI to generate your logo. Set the image dimensions to 800 by 800, which is perfect for YouTube. Generate a few options and choose the one you like best. Once you're happy with your logo, download it and upload it to your YouTube studio as the channel icon. Next, we need to create the banner. Open Canva, choose the YouTube banner, select the template that you like, and change the name and background that you prepared. Adjust the colors and add some glow effects. Once you are satisfied with results, download it and upload it to your YouTube studio as the banner. Now that our channel is set up, it's time to create our first video. A good script is key to keeping viewers engaged. Let's use ChatGPT to help brainstorm script ideas and create the content. Ask ChatGPT to write a script for a motivational video titled Top 10 Habits of Highly Successful People. The tone should be encouraging and positive. ChatGPT will provide you with a script that might look like this. Copy it and paste them into Google Docs. Once you have the main script, you can tweak it to fit your style. Keep sentences short, friendly, and to the point. Now let's move on to the voiceover. To make our voiceover without recording ourselves, we'll use 11 Labs. This tool offers high-quality, realistic voices that are perfect for faceless channels. Copy the script from Google Docs and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose a voice that matches the tone of your video. Since this is a motivational video, I'll pick a voice that sounds friendly and inspiring. Once you've selected the voice, configure any additional settings, then export the audio as an MP3 file. Now we have our voiceover ready. Let's move on to creating visuals. For the visuals, we'll use Leonardo AI to create high-quality motivational images. This can be anything that reflects growth, strength, or positivity. Ask ChatGPT to provide an image prompts for each scene that I can use to generate images in Leonardo AI for a motivational video. Each image should represent themes like success, motivation, growth, and strength in a hyper-realistic style. Now that ChatGPT provided us the prompts that we need, use these prompts in Leonardo AI to generate visuals. Set the dimension into 16 by 9, paste it, and hit generate. Download the images you like and save them for editing. Now we'll add a little motion to these images. To make these visuals even more engaging, we're going to add subtle animation. Leonardo AI has a built-in animation tool that's perfect perfect for this. Select the image that you choose and select image to motion. Set the motion to around 3, 5 for a gentle movement, and hit generate. This will add a subtle effect that makes the visuals more dynamic without being distracting. Do the same to all the images. Once it's done, download them. Now that we have the visuals, we will add some background music. Music can set the tone for your video and make it more impactful. For background music, head over to Pixabay and search for tracks under keywords like inspiring or uplifting. Once you find a track that fits, download it. We'll add it in during the editing phase to create a powerful atmosphere. Now that we have our voiceover, visuals, and music, let's bring it all together. I'm using CapCut for editing because it's simple but effective. Open CapCut and create a new project. Set the ration to 16:9. Import the voiceover, visuals, and background music. I put them all in one folder. Start by syncing each part of the voiceover with the appropriate visual. Trim any long pauses in the voiceover to keep the video engaging. Add a simple transition effect, like a black fade, between each visual to give the video a smooth flow. Add some color grading to make your visuals pop, and feel free to experiment with different effects for a polished look. Once you're finished, export the video. Next up, let's create a thumbnail to attract viewers. For this, we'll use Canva, which has plenty of YouTube thumbnail templates. Open Canva, select a YouTube thumbnail template or blank canvas, and upload one of the visuals from Leonardo AI. Add a bold title like Top 10 Success Habits in bright text. Adjust colors, add a glow effect, and keep the design clean and easy to read. A good thumbnail can make a huge difference in attracting viewers, so make sure it stands out. Now that everything are ready, it's time to upload the video to your YouTube channel. Let's optimize your video for search. This is where good SEO helps your video reach a larger audience. So ask ChatGPT to generate a title, description, and tags for a motivational video about the top 10 habits of highly successful people. Make sure they're optimized for YouTube search. ChatGPT will give the things that you need. It's time to upload your video. Go to YouTube Studio of your channel, click Create, Upload Videos, then select Files. Copy and paste these into your video's metadata on YouTube to maximize visibility. Once your video is published, let's talk about monetization. To get monetized, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for YouTube's partner program. You can also sell motivational merchandise or use affiliate marketing by recommending books or products. And that's it. You now have a complete guide to starting and monetizing your own Faceless YouTube channel. Remember, consistency and quality are key. So keep refining your skills and uploading regularly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your YouTube journey. See you in the next video. Here is a short clip for the sample video that we made.
Success isn't about luck, it's about habits. Every great achievement starts with consistent actions, and today we're diving into the top 10 habits of highly successful people to help you level up your life. Let's get started.